guys are drawing right now. Like angin blame futhi angengivuka kusasa ngithi hi banomona bayangizona akunamuntu ozonda umuntu la. I saw the video, but nisuke nibe ne angazi, maybe there's a certain agenda nifuna ukuyiphutha uyanipisa uthi no, that's not what happened, but still nifuna ukuchubeka and push narrative, which makes me like question, you know, everything ukuthi manje ngathi seyajika direction. And obviously once it starts changing isengaphezulu kwamandla ami akunanto engayenza, yabo. But I saw the video, I don't want to lie, like the very same video that you guys are looking at is the very same video that I'm looking at. And like I'm saying to you, if I'm a person that had no context, I would have said this is a weird video. Rude, I don't know, but it's weird, you understand? Was it intentional? Ish. Ay, marinig na batala. Batala sonke la. So guys, now if once a person starts explaining, hi, yeah, this is what happened, this is not what happened, that person is screaming guilty. You understand? So it's definitely not my intention to come onto a live video and start explaining myself, because obviously I know what happened and I was there. Do you understand? So angazi seningang advise ukuthi nina nibona ukuthi kwenzeke njani, but mina from where I'm standing, like I just have this belief ukuthi like umuntu once aqala explain nike nibona amadoda achithayo, like makangaqala explain la unamanga liar, yabo. So as explainalene nisfundi, because I was not born, but I can tell you one thing for sure. I used to watch Gomorrah. Ha 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 ha. So still you don't have a point. Nyamaz umamaga konjubani umamaga Kateri boy, stepmother sa Kateri boy. So yeah, Boom Shaka. I'm not really familiar with Boom Shaka like that, because obviously I'm young, and yeah, I'm young, but Gomorrah nyayas. It looked like you didn't want to take a picture with her. No. I'm still waiting.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video of Usisi and Uzinxumalo ignoring uThembisiwe Daketsana. They were trying to take pictures, and bobabona ukuthi Uzinxumalo and Usisi, like they were close together, bahleka boyithu bakhuluma boyithuna, and they were just ignoring uThembisiwe. In that video, everyone is talking about it. Kesana saying ukuthi ma upcoming they are ignoring a legend. Kesana, some people were even saying ukuthi senesati wena Thembisiwe labo vele laba ignorago asibadi. Kesana wena we know vele ukuthi dzalo se gaming o uyi legend ungabanaki. So bana baningi ba feeling azuthi they were just rude and bakhombisa nje kungabi nemuntu, because why ba ignore lomnye umntwana. Ubone ukuthi vele ngazuthi abamfuni ukuthi abe khona lapha na kule picture, babukana boyithu bagona neboyithu, yena utimele nje lapha esidini eneshem onkosami visana buhlungu. Amsho nani nasekahleli ayibuka le video le, utobona man ukuthi la ngathi bengimane ngitifaka or bengingafuna. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosazam Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uzinxumalo finally breaks her silence ngemva kwevideo lebeyiseculator lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana la bonakala khona athatha ivideo nema-picture na-sisi alaqeleni kwabo kunaThembisiyede. Kubonakala ngazuthi bazama njena kum-ignora kuThembisiyede. Bekabonakala ngazuthi uyatiphesha, kwabona umuntu ngazuthi uyatiphesha, but ngazuthi njena akafunwa kahle kahle la kule picture. Umane njena uyatihlohlela. Abantu abaningi they said ukuthi there's something off ngale video lena. Why kube ngazuthi uSisi and uZinxumalo they are actually ignoring uThembisiyede, and 22 years old. Uthi njena kukho loko le bantu labakhuluma ukuthi nje akakuboni futhi yena the very same video nina leniyibonile nayo uyibonile, but lo nikhuluma ngako akakwadi yena futhi nje lapha kule video akakuboni. Uthi angeke zazame kakhulu ukuthi defender alukade defender uthi hayi no guys akusinjalo. You guys must just believe what you want to believe, or because uthi ngokwati kwakhe if umuntu azama ukudefenda kakhulu kuvele kubonakale ngazuthi uguilty awushaya satelo, that's why lokhu njena ati defender. But uthi nje lokhu bantu labakhulumako akakwadi yena futhi njena akakuboni. So people are saying ukuthi no, she is very rude ugele. Why aphendule ngale ndlela? It's like akasiniketi full information ngokuthi asho ukuthi guys this and this and this and this is what is happening, or this is what happened. Nibona ngale ndlela because of le ndlela akusenjalo, but ndlela aphendula ngakhona it's like nje uvela utitshela ukuthi yatenda ngini owi i-explanation. And usisi ukhiphile naye live video lasho khona ukuthi lo lena ukukhuluma akakwadi, and uyakuthi nje bantu banema-bipolar, bane-bipolar bantu namhla bakhuluma lokhu, kusasa abantu bajikile bakhuluma lokhu. That's why uthina nje bantu abaningi yena akabathathele enhloko akabathathe serious. So people are saying ukuthi they are lying, vele bangamfuni kuThembisiyede lapha kule video njena bekubonakala ukuthi they were really ignoring her. Noma bangaphika nje ivideo ayicambi manga. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.